Hello my crafty friends, welcome to my channel. Today is Review Monday and today we are going to review this latch hook kit that I got from Hobby Lobby, and it was $19.99, and this one is Disney Minnie Mouse. Hey, I am sorry for that because I don't know how to mute that one. Okay, it says it includes the print canvas, which you see right here. Let me see what else. Okay, what else does this include? Okay, it says latch hook not included. That's okay because I went and got one from where I volunteer. For $1. So I got that ready. And it's a good one too. Look. Made in Korea. Those wooden ones. This is a nice one. Brand new. Yeah, I'll put their information in the description box below, like I always do. If you're going to be passing by through Lancaster, Pennsylvania, stop by there. And this is, let me see, the size is, it says here, as you can see, 12 inches by 12 inches, and it's 30.4 centimeters by 30.4 centimeters. Now, isn't that cute? That's what it's supposed to look like. That's what they're saying it's supposed to look like. I don't know. I haven't latch hooked for quite a long time, so literally I don't remember. And there she is. Isn't she cute? I'm gonna do this for my granddaughter. You know, if it's something like this, I'm gonna do for my granddaughter. Let me see if there's any more information. I think that's it. I don't. Oh, I can't. Okay, let's open this up and let's get this going. Cause you know me, I'm on a time schedule. Don't want you guys to be sleeping on me. So get your coffee out and watch. Okay, I don't have. What did I do with my scissors? Making a mess. I couldn't find my cutter, so we're gonna use scissors here. Let's go in the wrapper too. Of course, Saffron is right there, watching. I don't know if you can see her. And there she is, for you guys that want to see her. Say hi, Saffron. There you go, guys. A little quickie. A little quick look. Okay. She's always by my side. You know how it is. She has to let me know I'm okay. Alright. Make sure you guys are. Alright, let me see. Where do I open? Whoa, look at that. Now that is very bright colors. It's so neat and nice and padded in. You see that? It's plastic around it. Okay, I am only going to take out one because we're not going to be needing all this. But of course, we need the instructions and the design. Oh Lord, here comes the kitties. Okay, I had to take her and push her up there. So it comes with 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't need all that for now, so I'm going to put the rest away. So we just need this one. All right, okay. Instructions. I don't know what I'm doing, but it looks like it's going to be fun. All right, the canvas is hard. Like real stiff. I guess it's supposed to be like that because it's a rug. Okay, this is gonna be in her room. I don't think she's going to put this on the floor. She's probably gonna hang it up. It's gonna be too cute. And I'm going to do a little bit just to show you how this works. I don't know what I'm doing, so. And then I'm gonna show her off the camera because she wants to continue this. She saw it and she was like, "Oh, I wanna do that." And I said, "Okay, you can do it." She's here today. She's watching me do my video. She enjoys watching my videos. I'm just flattening it out. It didn't say to do it, but I'm doing it anyways. My instincts of a crafter instincts. Don't you do that? Crafter instincts, you know what you're doing in a little bit. Alright. Let me straighten it out over here. Alright, here we go. Oh my gosh. That is cute. I am so loving this. Let me put it a little bit up so you can see. You might see my toes or something because I'm on the floor. You know me. He still didn't get my chair. Look at that. That is cute. Oh my gosh. And I think this is going to be easy. These are the only kinds that I can do. I have one there. I don't know. It's been sitting there. It doesn't have anything. That's like cross stitching. Like latch hook cross stitching. You got to count and put it right where it belongs. It's been sitting there for I don't know how many years. I don't know. It's hard. It's hard. So I figured I'm going to try one of these. That it has the painting on there and literally it's easy. Sort of. I don't know. Let's see. Alright. Here are the instructions. Okay, we got the latch hook. Check. Yarn. Check. Okay. Now they're showing us how to do it right here. It says cover the edges of the canvas with masking tape. Start in the lower right corner and work in the horizontal rows. Match the yarn color to the color on the canvas. Masking tape. The edges. Oh. I got this tape. I don't got the mask. I didn't see. That's why I don't know. We'll just do what we got, right? So I'm just gonna. All right. I'm just gonna use what I got. Isn't that fun? How you don't know what you're doing? I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just using what I got. Okay. It says the edges. Next time I'll get the, now I know what to do. I don't think this is gonna work because you need the masking tape. Is it gonna stick? Probably not. You need masking tape. No, this is not. I'm not even gonna deal with that. Okay, forget about that. I'll do that later. I guess they don't want it to fray or something. That's what I'm presuming. Okay, skip that. Alrighty. So simple as that. You have to match the colors with the yarn. Alright, when there are two colors on the canvas thread, choose the color that covers most of the thread. Like right there. You see how the red has more than the blue? Then I'm presuming you got to put the red there. Get it? Can you see it? See right there? It shows that it's more red than blue. So then you put the red. If it was more blue, then you put the blue. Like up here. It's showing right there. There's more blue. So then you put the blue. Down here is more red than the blue. Then you put the red. Get it? And that's how they did right there. Okay, I'm getting it. Alright, let's see what else. Okay, oh my gosh. We're going to start. It says hold the tool. I'm just going to go through it first. Hold the tool in one hand. Loop a piece of yarn around the tool, holding the ends together with your other hand. The yarn must be below the latch. See right there? Okay, I'm going to start that. Alright, let's just do this. I'm not going to read the whole thing. Let's just do it, right? Let's do it. I'm going to put it up close for... I'm going to start right here. So I'm going to do an up close right there. Okay, right here. A little bit closer. Okay. I'm gonna put this right there so I can see. Okay, we're gonna do it right here. So I need something heavy there to hold this down. Okay, guys, can you see? All right, we're gonna do it right here. And it seems like it's more blue than black, or it's in the middle. That's what I'm seeing, right? It looks like it's more blue. The blue's way over here. You see how let me see if I can point it out. The blue is way over here. So I'm gonna get blue out. All right, let's do the blue. Oh God, here she comes. Oh God, hold on a second. All right, let's get the blue. All right, instructions, I'm gonna put it right here. So you can see what we're doing right on the clipboard. That's why I love this table, because it has a clipboard and you can just put it right on the clipboard. All right, put the yarn on the hook with the latch hook down. All right, just like that. Make sure they're even. Oh, no twisties. Don't twist it. All right, got it. Like that. Okay. Oh, I need something down here. I need hold on, I'll be right back, guys. Okay, guys, I had to get one of these because you weren't gonna be able to see what I was doing. So, and plus it was trying to focus. So now I'm ready. We're gonna put one right there. So let's go back what we were doing. So hold on, let me put it up. Okay, it goes like that. All right, alrighty. Right underneath the little latch, there's like a latch thing right there. See how it closes and opens? Leave it open. The yarn underneath. All right, what's next? Wrap the yarn ends around the latch hook. Done. I skipped number 2. Okay. I'm gonna have to open this up completely to see. All right. Number 2, put the tool through the canvas. Slide it under one horizontal canvas thread. Okay, we're doing this one. So it says go under, right? Yeah. Make sure the thread is even. Go under. Yeah. Yeah. I'm doing exactly what the picture looks like. Yeah. Looks just like this. Okay. Oops. Okay, here we go. Not like that. Okay. Done. All right. Pull back slowly so that the latch starts to lift up. Okay. It's lifting. Yeah, slowly. Wrap the yarn ends around the latch. Okay, so it must be like over it, like that. See? Like that. Okay, pull the tool back through the canvas. The latch will close automatically and capture the yarn. Wiggle the tool as you pull to help get the yarn ends through. Okay. Like this, right? Oh my God. I the wig. So it goes right through the loop, I'm presuming. And you got the wiggle, like it said. Help it out. Look, I did it. Oh my gosh. I get emotional. Okay. Tug the yarn to tighten the knot and even the ends. Okay. All right, let's put that down. So see how they're not even? So I'm just going to tighten it to make them even. Oh my gosh, I am so happy I did one. It looks just like the picture, see? That's what I did. It's trying to focus. Oh, it won't focus. I did that. Why won't it focus? I did that right there. This is neat. I like this. So we did that first. Then we did number 2. Just like that. And then we did number 3. Like that. We put it underneath the we put it through the what do you call that? What is that called? The canvas. And the yarn was underneath the hook. And see how the latch is like opened? Slowly it's gonna close, but you don't close it. And then right here, right here, you put both yarn strips in between the latch and the little hook. And then as you go, you wiggle it through, and it locks. I'm trying to see if it focuses, and it locks, and you pull it through, and that's what you end up with. And that's what I did. Isn't that cool? Oh my gosh, you can do this with your kids. And that's what me and River and me are gonna be doing later on, after we finish organizing the craft area. And once we're done with the craft area that we've been organizing, I didn't do no video on Saturday because we've been organizing the craft area, because I want to show you guys the craft area that we did. All right, so let's, oh, I just grabbed this without knowing what color I needed. Should we just go ahead, since I already grabbed it? Let's do the blue. I'm just gonna go up through this way. All right, let's do the blue since I already grabbed it. All right, let's do it again. I'm gonna keep looking at the instructions though. All right, put the yarn underneath the latch hook. Make sure they're even. Put it through the canvas underneath this one here. All right, just like that. Make sure the hook, see, like that, that this little hook thing is over it, and put this like that. Okay, oops, and make sure it's not crisscross. Okay, here we go, people. And this canvas, okay, the latch hook has to be open. All right, and then you put the string, the yarn, in the latch hook. Hold on, it's like slippery. For me it is. Okay, it's in. Got it. All right, and then it says pull slowly. Okay, a little bit nervous. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Help it out, if that's what it said. Okay. Oh my gosh, I did it. And then it said even it out. Okay. Even it out. And they're all supposed to look the same. You see how how the bottom part, you see what it looks like? And then this one has to look the same. They all have to look the same as you do them. They can't be all different. They all got to be the same. Okay, and then I'm going to yank it. Make sure it's even. And then sometimes it might not be perfect. You might have to get the scissors and trim after, when you're done, the whole thing, you trim it to your liking. See, there you go. And I'm just going to leave it like that. And then once you're all done, you fluff it. You put it back, you go like this, and you fluff it. Once you're all done with the whole thing. And then you trim. Now, it's starting to come back to me. You trim everything. Make sure it's nice and, like, all even. And then it's ready. I don't think I will walk on this. I will frame this or just put it on the wall. Look, I did two. Do we have time for another one? Okay, let's do one of the black. Let's do the black one. All right, let's get a black one out. This is kind of cool. I kind of like it. I like it when it's already, the picture's there. The other ones, oh my gosh. If you're a beginner, please don't get the one with nothing on it. It's hard. Mine is still sitting there it's been like, what, a year, and it's still sitting there. I look at it and I'm like, I start twitching. And it's a cute little kitty cat that I want to do so bad. But maybe I'll get back to it. I'll think about it. I just need peace and quiet and concentration and some music, you know, and nobody around. Because you have to count a lot. This one you don't have to count. You see the color, you do it. So if you're a beginner, get the one with the picture painted already on it. Okay? Okay, let's do the black one. We're going to do this one here. So, open up the latch hook. Like that. And let's put it through. Might have to reopen it again if it might close. Oh no, it didn't. Like that. So there's the hook, the latch hook thing there. Oh, I forgot to put the yarn. Duh. I'm so excited doing this. I forgot to put the yarn through. That was the first step. Okay, that's okay. Okay, it's already there. Alright. Now you put the yarn like that on the latch hook. And you pull it slowly, and it's said to help it out. Wiggle it. And as you go, you're going to get professional. Right now, I'm not professional. I'm just learning. See? There's the black. Now, what you do is you even it out. Pull it, tug it. And it's okay if it's not perfectly even, because you're gonna snip it later. See? Isn't that cute? You want to do a red one? Oh look, let's do this one. Now remember what I told you? If the colors are together, this one's showing that it's more black than red. So let's do that black one real quick. So it's more black than red, so it's black. And if it would have been red, more red, then it would have been the red one. But it's showing that it's more black than red. So let's put this underneath. All right. I'm kind of liking this. You know, with some music on, soft music or something, coffee, tea, juice, water, whatever you want. Nobody's bothering you. Kids are at grandma's, you know. Husband's working and you're off. Do something like this. Won't that be nice? Okay, right here. Put it through. Make sure that latch is like that. Can you see it? There it is. Put the yarn there. And put the yarn over the latch. Close the latch. Slowly pull it through. Okay, wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Help it through. done. And then it said tighten it. You see how fast I learned? I did this before, but it was a while back, like a year ago. And then you tighten it, and then you can play with the other ones if you want. But look, and then look how it starts to look. Look when you fluff it up. When you start fluffing it up, see that? I don't know if you can see that. That's what it starts to look. It looks like a rug. You fluff it up. And you can imagine the whole thing done. But meanwhile, just keep it down like that. Let's do, let me see, do we have time? Yep. Let's play with this for a little bit because we got time. Okay, the next color is, see, look, it's more red than black. So we're going to do the red. Let's do a red one. Look, we don't need the instructions now. We know what we're doing, huh? We're professional. Yeah, right. All right. Here we go. We're going to do the red one. I kind of like this when it's the color's already on it, when it's already printed. I'm going to, see, my granddaughter's watching me, so she knows what she's doing already. Right, River?
Yeah.
She's right there watching me. She's going to, do this with me later because I went and got 2 of these so we can spend time together because my boo-boo is leaving tomorrow. She's been here for 5 days. And it's the other grandma's turn. So, I have, you know, I have to share her, I guess. So, I try to spend as much time as I can with her doing crafts. She loves crafts. All right. There's the, I put it through. There's the latch right there. So I'm going to put the yarn over the little latch. I'm going to close it slowly, like it said. And I'm going to pull it, wiggle it through. Oh, look, it went through faster. And then try to even it out. I'm going to try to grab both of them at the same time so they can be both even. Tighten it. Look. Ooh, look how pretty it looks with all these colors. It's nice. I'm starting to love this. Look, the next one is red. We still got time. Let's keep playing. I hope you're liking this. I will put all this in the description box below. Remember, I got it from Hobby Lobby. Hobby Lobby has all kinds of designs. One with the printed and one without printed. Like now, if you're professional, then go right ahead and do the one with no print. But if you're a beginner, your best bet is to get the one with the printed. All right, and make sure you read it, that it says printed, and look at it. Don't get the wrong one, and you be crying that you didn't get the right one. Okay. See, I thought I was all that, and I got the one with no print. And when I seen I couldn't do it, I was like, oh Lord. But I am doing it. I got 1 row done. That's how long it's taking to do that one. But it's going to come out. Well, I'll probably start doing that again while she's doing this one. I'll work on the other one. Oh, shoot. I forgot. You see how I'm talking to you guys and I forgot to put the yarn? What a tutorial. No, this is not a tutorial. This is a review. So don't think it's a tutorial. Oh, she just pooped there. Okay. Alrighty. Okay, now we're going to put it in the red. I guess we can do this one. And now we put this one here. Put it over the latch. Close it. And wiggle. Oh, look, it's coming out like faster. Even it out. Make sure it's not twisted. All right. There you go. Look at that. That is so cool. All right, I'm gonna do this one and that one, and then that'll be it for today, because I don't want this video to be too long. So we need a red one, because it's showing it's red. Put this through. Oops. Yeah, just like that. Make sure the latch is open. Put it through. Put the yarn. Put over the latch. Oops, I let it go. Like that. Slightly close it. Wiggle it through. And you gotta be careful that you don't strip the yarn, okay? Because then you gotta start all over again. It's not supposed to be stripped. Okay, now tug it. Make sure that both ends are even. I'm trying to see which way it's supposed to be going. No, it's this way. Alright, I'm gonna tug it a little bit more this way to make it even. Tug it. And there you have it. Now this one, it looks like it's more black than red, so we're gonna do a black one. All right, this is the black one. And that'll be it for today for this review, because I don't want this video to be too long, because it's only a review. It's not a tutorial or anything like that. And plus I gotta record a couple more videos and finish organizing the craft area so I can show you that craft area, how I set it up, just to give you some ideas of how you can set up a small craft area in your living room. All right, what? Oh, we're doing this one. Okay, open it up, put it through like that. Put the yarn through over the latch hook, close it slowly, and pull it through slowly, wiggling it through. Okay, now what you do, take both ends and tighten it. And there you have it. Now I'm gonna show you when you fluff it up. This is what you do. You fluff it up. I'm just like tightening them all together, like just fluffing it up. And you play with it. After you're done with the whole thing, you fluff it up. Okay, if one of them needs to be tightened again, you gotta grab it and tighten it. See? That's what it looks like. And when you have the whole thing done, it's gonna be all fluffy. Just like that. See? This is gonna look like that. But picture form. See? And that is that. I kind of like this. So let me put the camera back down. So what do you guys think? Did you guys like it? I don't know. I like this one. This is kind of cute. And my granddaughter's like eager for me to give this to her after we're done with the video. Yeah, she wants to do this. So I'm going to let her take over. She see how I did it. So I will put all the information in the description box so you can get yourself one. I'm thinking they still have more of these over there. So you can get one for your granddaughter or your daughter. They might have boy ones too. I'm not sure. I just saw this one and grabbed it. And they have other stuff. They got like themes. They got a whole bunch of different kinds. You know, you pick which one you want. which one you like, and you pick it. You know, you do it. So that's that. I hope you like this video. And I'm hoping that you can try this craft out. I like it. I think I'll give it a thumbs up. It seems like it's easy. It's an easy craft to do. No messes. And it didn't hurt my hands for the ones that have arthritis. I know I was tugging and stuff, but it wasn't hurting my hands or anything. And if it does hurt your hands, the ones that have arthritis, just relax, rest for a little bit, take a break, you know, and then go back at it. But it didn't hurt my hands. And my hands get swelled up right away. But it didn't hurt me. So, and then this is very light. The yarn is light. This is light. So everything is light. So I don't think it would hurt anybody to do this. So that is that. Everything will be in the description box below. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. And the reason that I say that is because YouTube will send my videos out to more people so they can see my videos. And that'll be a good help for me. And I thank you for it. And if you're new to this channel, hit the subscribe button and the first bell notification so you can see all my videos. I am always posting new videos, all kinds of crafts. Okay, you never know what's going on. I'm trying to get, you know, situated still. But so far, so good. I've been doing Review Mondays. And I'm trying out craft, but no, what is it? Oh, crochet vlog Saturdays. I didn't do this Saturday because I was working in the, you know, working on my craft room. Okay, so I'm sorry about that. But I'm going to try my best to do more videos this week. And I'm trying to get situated to doing videos every day, a certain kind of video. So stay tuned for that. But enjoy this video for today. All right. If you have any questions or anything at all, any comments, concerns, put it in the comments below. And I will try to, you know, answer them as best as I can. All right, and stay tuned for some more videos this week. I'll try my best to post some new videos this week. All right, so you guys stay crafting and you stay safe. Bye, guys. Love you. Bye.